Okay, rematch is coming.
This is the final one.
They're playing sword fighting on the Wii. Jacqueline just took a header into the water. Ready? Go, Elizabeth, go! What happened?
Jeez.
You're both tired after your match?
You for me.